Bitcoin Cash Trading System by the Abraham Cryptoland. Subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, subscribe today and be part of journey. Bitcoin Cash could deliver 966% gains. Is BCH the next 10x crypto? Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Could its current weakness become a future investment opportunity? Among the 8 cryptocurrencies that I selected for my investment portfolio for the period from June 1st, 2026 to June 1st, 2027, today I would like to discuss Bitcoin Cash, BCH. The current allocation of new investment funds in my portfolio is as follows: Bitcoin 40%, Ethereum 20%, XRP 10%, Bitcoin Cash 10%, Solana 5%, BitTensor Tau 5%, Aster 5%, Linea 5%. You can learn more about my cryptocurrency investment portfolio in my YouTube playlist, Cryptocurrency Portfolio Allocation. Why Bitcoin Cash today? Recently, Bitcoin Cash has shown significant price weakness. For many investors, this may be a warning sign, while for others, it could represent a potential investment opportunity if the project manages to return to its previous price levels. Monthly chart. Looking at the chart from the past month, Bitcoin Cash declined from approximately $380 to around $198. This represents a decline of approximately 47.9%. 1 year chart. On the 1 year chart, Bitcoin Cash reached a high of approximately $655 before falling to its current level near $198. This represents a decline of approximately 69.8% from its yearly high. If the price fails to find support and the downtrend continues, further declines may be possible. Of course, this is only one possible scenario and should not be considered a prediction of future performance. 5 year chart. The 5 year chart shows that Bitcoin Cash has previously traded near the $100 level. This could suggest that if the current downtrend continues, the market may test lower support levels. It is also possible that the price could revisit historical lows around $75. Don't miss out. Subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, subscribe today and be part of journey. Summary of the analysis. Bitcoin Cash was created in 2017 as a fork of Bitcoin. This means it now has nearly 9 years of trading history in the cryptocurrency market. It is also one of the more established cryptocurrencies and remains listed on many major cryptocurrency exchanges. Its long history and broad availability may be viewed by some investors as positive factors. Based on the charts presented above, the potential risk to reward ratio may be attractive for long-term investors. However, there is no guarantee that historical price behavior will repeat itself. 3 possible scenarios. Scenario 1. Let's assume that the current price of approximately $198 turns out to be the market bottom and Bitcoin Cash returns to its previous yearly high of approximately $655. In that case, the potential gain would be approximately 231%. Scenario 2. Let's assume that Bitcoin Cash declines to around $100 and later rises to $800. Buying at $100 and selling at $800 would generate a potential profit of approximately 700%. In other words, the investment would become 8 times its original value. Scenario 3. Let's assume that Bitcoin Cash falls to around $75 and later rises to $800. Buying at $75 and selling at $800 would generate a potential profit of approximately 966.7%. This would represent more than a tenfold increase in the value of the investment. Conclusion. Bitcoin Cash remains one of the longest traded cryptocurrencies in the market. The current decline may be viewed either as a warning sign or as a potential investment opportunity, depending on future market conditions and the overall performance of the cryptocurrency sector. The scenarios presented above are only examples based on historical price levels and should not be considered financial advice. You can learn more about my Bitcoin Cash investment strategy by watching my playlist on my channel. Disclaimer. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves substantial risk. including the possible loss of capital. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Don't miss out. Subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, subscribe today and be part of journey.